Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create layers in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Layers are incredibly useful for organizing content in your PDFs, especially when you need to manage different versions or elements within a single document. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access all your recent files and begin working on your document. Navigate to recent files and select the specific file you want to work with. This could be any PDF where you need to fix the reading order or add additional layers for better organization. Now, in the upper left panel of Adobe Acrobat, click on Menu from the drop-down options that appear, select View. This is where you'll find various display settings that control how your document appears and what tools are visible. The View menu is your gateway to accessing many hidden features in Acrobat, including the layer panel we need. Next, click on Show/Hide. This section allows you to toggle different interface elements on and off. From here, select Side Panels and then click on Layers. This action will bring up the Layers panel on your screen, which is essential for managing all the layers within your PDF document. In the upper right corner of the Layers panel, you'll notice 3 dotted lines. Click on those 3 dotted lines beside Layers to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Import as Layers. This feature allows you to bring external content into your PDF as a separate layer, giving you greater control over how different elements interact. A dialog box will appear. Click Browse to locate the file you want to add as a new layer. Navigate through your folders, select the file you wish to import, and then click Open. This could be an image, another PDF, or any compatible file format that Acrobat can handle as a layer. Once your file is selected, navigate to the Import Options section. Here, look for Create New Layer. You'll see a text field beside it where you can type your layer name. Choose a descriptive name that helps you identify what this layer contains, making it easier to manage multiple layers later. Now navigate to Opacity. You'll find a slider that you can adjust from right to left. Moving the slider allows you to control how transparent or solid your layer appears. This is particularly useful when you want certain elements to be visible but not overpowering. Next, navigate to Order. Click the drop-down menu beside it. This option lets you choose whether your new layer will appear in front page or appear behind page. This determines the stacking order of your layers and how they overlay with existing content in your PDF. Finally, click OK to confirm all your settings and create the layer. Your new layer will now appear in the Layers panel, and you can toggle it on or off, adjust its properties, or continue adding more layers as needed. And that's how you create layers in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. You now have better control over your PDF content and can manage different elements separately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.